Okay, so this is the last audio I'm doing about this. Then I'll select which one is the best. Still the same song, human nature, R&B type beats. Let's go. Animal in the jungle, look at us and ponder, thinking why we kill each other. Well, it has nothing to do with food. Are they meant to be the smart ones? So why do they discriminate? White or black or different locations? Why not peace? Why do we spread hate? Tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hate ourselves? Tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hate ourselves? Love is our link to the future. What are we teaching our kids? Kill 10 people, be a serial killer. Kill thousands, be your heroes. Tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hurt ourselves? So tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hate ourselves? So tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hurt ourselves? So tell me why do we kill ourselves for no good reason? Why do we hate ourselves? Kill ourselves for no good reason. Why do we hate ourselves?